S&P 500 Index, SPX, daily and weekly chart analysis. November-December seasonal rally continues. In this video, we will analyze the long-term chart of the S&P 500 Index, SPX, and discuss the current market conditions. We will also examine the recent actions of the Federal Reserve and their impact on the stock market. Additionally, we will address concerns regarding consumer spending and credit card debt. Finally, we will conclude with an overview of the market's performance and our position in the strategy. S&P 500 Index, SPX, chart analysis. Last week, the S&P 500 Index, SPX, showed signs of recovery, regaining most of its recent losses. This week, we are anticipating a bullish entry into the SPX and are watching for a buy signal early next week. Our conservative strategy is designed to protect investors from bear markets, and short-term declines should not trigger sell signals. We base our strategy on long-term chart analysis, avoiding emotional and news-based decisions. Federal Reserve actions. The Federal Reserve recently decided to keep the target range for the federal funds rate at its 22-year high of 5.25% to 5.5% for a second consecutive time in November. This decision reflects the Fed's focus on returning inflation to the 2% target while avoiding excessive monetary tightening. The market responded positively to this news, with hopes that Fed rate hikes have ended for 2023. The SPX has emerged from correction territory at a rapid pace and achieved one of its shortest comebacks since the 1970s. Consumer spending and credit card debt. While consumer spending has been a driving force behind the economy's growth, there are concerns about the increasing credit card debt. In the third quarter of 2023, Americans' total credit card balance reached a record high of $1.079 trillion, surpassing the previous record set in the second quarter. This raises questions about the sustainability of the economy's strength in the face of rising debt levels. Economic indicators. The leading economic index declined for the 19th consecutive month in October, but economists do not believe the U.S. economy is any closer to a recession. The index, which measures 10 indicators to gauge the economy's direction, fell 0.8% in October. However, the bullish holiday period from Thanksgiving to New Year's is expected to drive short-term selling followed by increased buying activity. Market-moving economic reports. Sales of previously owned homes in the United States dropped 4.1% in October, reaching the lowest level since August 2010. This decline is attributed to a lack of housing inventory and high mortgage rates. New orders for manufactured durable goods also plummeted by 5.4% in October, driven by reduced demand for transportation equipment. On a positive note, the number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell to 209,000, well below market expectations. Conclusion. The Thanksgiving to New Year's seasonal rally continues to push prices higher, with a 1.0% increase this holiday week. The SPX position in our strategy remains bullish, and we anticipate further gains in the market. While concerns about consumer spending and credit card debt persist, the overall economic outlook remains positive. As always, we base our decisions on long-term chart analysis and avoid making emotional or news-driven changes to our strategy. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Investing in the stock market carries risks, and individuals should conduct their own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.